Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a background image in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and to add a background image to your Squarespace site, first log in to your account, then go to Account Dashboard. Click on this website button below your website. Click on Pages in order to locate the page you want to work on. Let's work on this home page. To go into the editing mode, you need to click on this edit button. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, so how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Let's say that I want to add a background image in this for this section. Select this section first and click on Edit section. Go to the Background tab and under Image, click on this plus icon and select Upload File. Upload your background image from your computer and it will be instantly applied to your section. Don't forget to save your work from this corner. And to preview your work live, exit this page and go to preview mode. And this is how to add a background image in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.